Hi guys, welcome back to MK Sportscars. It's race car to road car times. The colour reveal is on. So we've had all the panels, all the new done, they've all been prepped and all we've had, and it's in the booth. And here we go, this is the colour. It's a racing red, as they call it, but with a metallic twist. It's got an ink in it, so it's very hard to see all the metallic in the light, but it's got a very, very deep dark red with a metallic in it, and we're going to be doing like a satin or carbon stripe kit basically on it, as well with all the cup logos on it as well. So looking rather sharp, all the side panels, scuttle, bonnet. The rear arches are going to be in black and the front arches are going to be in black, but really happy with the nose cones looking really sharp. It blends, this colour really is so hard. I wish you guys could see what I can see with my eye. The corner here, when it pops in the sun or in the light, it's just so much deepness to it and so much more metallic in it. I say it's got like an ink in it, so it gives it a different flavour, but really strong looking colour. Probably the camera won't do it justice, but super happy with it. Bit of polishing, bit more clear coat, bit of detail to put into it, and then we can start getting these panels bolted onto this car, turn it into life, get it ready for road. Right, so back in the workshop from the paint booth, and well, race car to road car will start again. So now we've got the panels, they'll be heading back to us, but what else has got to be done? Well, a fair amount, to be honest with you. Front mud guards are going to be fitted, wheels and tyres are going to be fitted, we've done all the brakes are going to be bled, clutch is bled, steering column's got to go in, finish the wiring, make a new dashboard, fit the aim dash on this one and all the switches and all the IVA stuff that needs to go on there, fit the quick release boss, fit the interior panel set, fit the seats, fit the seat belts. Moving to the rear, we got then what we got, so interior, there will be padding as well that's got to be done, cleaning detail, and then also the rear mudguard, all the body panels got to go on. We've got to fit a rear boot cover, final fit on the roll cage, the wing stays, the extra support bars on the back here, which are these bars that go in for the cross brace here as well. We've got a fuel filler cap that's got to go on for the IVA compliance. Got to fully IVA trim the car as well, that's all got to be done. Headlights have got to go on, rear lights have got to go on, reverse lights got to go on, fog lights got to go on, rain lights got to go on, fire extinguisher system's got to be fitted. I'm running out of breath here. Right, here we go, and prop shaft catcher's got to go in, getting back to the front here. So a fair amount to do. How long we got to, oh, wing mirror's got to go on, nearly forgot those. How long we got to do it? 2 weeks. 2 weeks, because we want to have this car on the stand at the Malvern Kit Car Show. So we are going to have to pull out all the stops and try and get this done to about probably 90% done, and then we can finish off the bit after the show. But we'd like to represent you at the show and show you the colour and everything else, because it looks great. And I think once it's on the car, get all the stripe packs on it and everything else, this car is going to pop. So looking forward to that. So quite a list to do there. I shall write it all down, get it on the board, and we'll get the A-team on this and turn it from race car to road car. Looking forward to it, guys. Right, so if you want to know more about the Cup 200 race car range, you want to get invested into the race car series, you want to use it as a track car, but more importantly, do you want to have an extremely fast car on track that looks the absolute bee's knees? Then hook us up a phone call, email here, speak to Andy or Neil, even in the sales team, and he can talk you through the process, because we've got one here that's not finished and we've got one here that is completely finished. And we can do different colours in, and we can change the bodywork. This has got the white colour on it with the black, which was standard, and you can decal it up as much as you like. So yeah, you know where we are. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and we will catch you next week.